This is how I tame my baby hairs naturally. This DIY hair wax stick has been a lifesaver as my hair grows back during my pregnancy. Hi, I'm Shyla, certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils to make natural products that you can use in your home every day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own DIY pomade that can help you tame frizz and flyaways and add shine to your hair. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this happy hair wax recipe from your Simply Earth recipe box. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to turn your essential oils into all natural products. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY hair care recipe box. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients that you'll need to make this recipe, along with other natural recipes. We'll also throw in a big bonus box for you for free. You can also find the ingredients for this recipe on our website at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box that's inside of my big bonus box. Let's get started finding our ingredients. First, you're going to want to grab your recipe card, your paper tube, as well as your Happy Joy from your recipe box. And don't forget your labels. Next, I'm going to grab my solid coconut oil and my beeswax from my big bonus box. The coconut oil moisturizes and soothes your hair. Beeswax helps keep your hair where you want it to stay. All right, first things first, I'm gonna grab 5 tablespoons of coconut oil and I'm gonna put it into my microwavable safe container. Next, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of beeswax. All right, I'm gonna melt this in the microwave at 30-second intervals, making sure that it doesn't get too hot. All right, now that my mixture is melted, I'm gonna add 18 drops of Happy Joy essential oil. All right, now I'm gonna stir my mixture and essential oils together to make sure everything is evenly incorporated. I'm gonna pour my mixture into my cardboard tube. Ta-da! And now I'm gonna let it cool. Don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. To use this natural hair pomade, make sure that it's totally cooled before you test it. Apply directly to your hair if you want to tame, soften, or smooth your hair. I love seeing your creations on social media, so when you make this recipe, take a picture of it and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis so that I can see all your lovely creations too. You'll automatically be entered into the I Made This challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card that you could use on our website. Follow Simply Earth for more natural recipes just like this.